Finance Minister Arun Jaitley also shared the sentiment of the good progress being made between the two countries, but he also said the Swiss authorities have made it clear to India they will not cooperate or exchange any information when it comes to stolen data. But if India can provide credible, independent evidence of investigations that are taking place back home, Switzerland will cooperate. Share with us details of that very crucial meeting with the Swiss ministers. You had both the finance and the economy minister of Switzerland. It's a meeting that lasted over 35 minutes. We assume India would have raised concerns about getting information on the black money that's stashed here in Switzerland.
Earlier, the concept was that you could stock your money into some bank account in a tax haven and nobody will be able to break into that secrecy. Switzerland has been evolving its position over the years. And therefore, Switzerland has been increasingly cooperating with various states. Now, as far as India is concerned, we've been asking them for cooperation. The Revenue Secretary had led a team of officials to Switzerland. And on the 15th of October last year, we had a joint statement, which was a statement of understanding. And the Swiss have a clear position that we will not give you any information on basis of the stolen data.
Right.
So if you come to us with stolen data, we don't recognize that, we will not cooperate. Our position now is that in case, that's our alternate position, not our preferred position, we are able to give you independent evidence.
Right.
Independent of the fact that their names of these people are contained in that list. So on basis of this independent evidence, will you give us the detailed information? So the 15th October arrangement was that yes, they would do it and they would do it expeditiously. Now, in continuation of that agreement, I've had a detailed meeting with them today as to what could be the parameters of that independent evidence. Of course, I'm in no position to disclose it to the media. Our tax officials are working around the clock. They are trying to finish all the assessments. They are trying to collect evidence. There are several people who have admitted the fact that they have accounts in that list. Now, there is some independent material available. So we have to come back to them with that material on basis of which we can get
and they were short cooperation then.
On that, if we give them independent material, they were short. Their attitude has been very positive.